Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we introduce you to our new Land Cruiser, the HD81, with 150,000 miles, 4.2 liter turbo diesel.
What you doing, Dan?
I know, I think I'm on the wrong side of the road, or the wrong side of the track.
Make the next left. Keep this side of the truck in the lane, though. Oh, what's that? You're making a left here. That's the windshield wipers.
Holy shit. Whoops.
Toward Claremont Avenue, then turn left onto Claremont Avenue.
Now we're gonna hit gridlock. You're welcome. Can you see the line, like behind you?
Yeah.
So, you bought yourself a Land Cruiser.
I did?
What did you do?
Oh, I don't know.
What did you do?
What did you do?
Bad Dan.
Of course, driving on the right.
Oh, please don't use that kind of verbiage. That's a terrible way to put it.
Hello? Our 1990 Toyota Land Cruiser HDJ81 VX Limited that was imported in August 2019. The truck is finished in gray over gray, cloth upholstery, and powered by a 4.2 liter turbo diesel inline 6. Mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission and dual range transfer case. Equipment includes locking front, center, and rear differentials, as well as a 2.5-inch Oman EMU suspension, heated seats, center console cooler, sunroof, and a touchscreen stereo, and factory electric winch. What? The steering wheel? Oh, it's over there. Right. What do we have here? The magic button. Triple lock. Built-in fridge with ice maker. Just get good cleaning done on it. Back seats. Track system in it. Very clean for a 32-year-old truck. Roof rack. factory electric winch. Factory swing out tire carrier. Power. Storage in here. Good spot for a little added storage. Probably throw some soft shackles and a few things like that in there. Like that. First patch. So that's going to take a little getting used to. Kilometers an hour instead of miles per hour. And as always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.